In today's video, we are printing off a print-in-place Hammerhead shark, and the only change we're going to do to this is add a little bit of black to the eyes to give it a little bit of life. And I printed it off in this grey because I think it looks really good for sea life prints and definitely for sharks. So it's a very simple little addition here, just painting up the eyes. They're already very nice and bulbous, so quite easy to paint overall. And by the end of it, they end up drying beautifully and looking pretty perfect. Now, I do think the underside of this one's not so perfect because, of course, you've got the flatness of the print in place, and this one I can't think shows it more than other models, but the overall design on the top side is beautiful with a really beautiful long tail that comes up above and looks just stunning. But anyway, we're done with the paint. We'll leave it to dry and then come back and check out the final piece. And this is it right here. This is a great 3D model. I highly recommend it. There's a link in the description below to the original designer's files, and it is all free to download. And she looks absolutely beautiful. No need for any infill either here. You can put her entirely hollow. Really good design. And as long as your adhesion is pretty good, you're going to end up with a perfect 3D print. So yeah, I highly recommend this 3D print. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.